Welcome to Peacock Hyundai Columbia, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our extensive inventory, and comes equipped with parking sensors, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, roof rack, alloy wheels, rear view camera, heated front seats, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Peacock Hyundai Columbia, we put our customers at the center of our business model. We do much more than just sell cars. We strive to provide every service that our valued customers may need, including competitive financing opportunities and excellent lease deals. Our ultimate goal is simple: 0 dissatisfied customers. So come see us today and drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. We're located at 310 Greystone Boulevard